Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to charge your Xiaomi Sound Outdoor device speaker using your own phone. So you can do so only if your phone does support the reverse charging. If your phone does it, that's great. Almost every phone with the USB Type-C cable does support that. Even iPhones with the Lightning cable and some older phones with the micro USB cable. So at first we have to prepare a cable that fits into our speaker, which is USB Type-C, and a cable that fits in our phone, which is here USB Type-C too. Now we have to plug the cable into our phone, and then we have to find the charging port on our speaker, which is here. Open that and just plug our cable into the charging port. And now our speaker is charging. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.